Hey, what's going on everybody? Welcome back to Bam Bam Print. My name is Nick, and in today's tutorial we're going to be talking about adding colored text flush with your objects. And not only that, changing the color so that you can print different colored text on your surface of your object as well. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go over to the left hand side, the process submenu, change your view over to objects so that you can see the objects that you're working with in your file. And we're going to go over to, once you select your object, you can either select it here or in the main viewport here. To open up the text shape menu, you can either click on this icon up here or press T on the keyboard. This is going to open up the text shape options. If you haven't spent any time, I also went over this in my complete adding text to objects tutorial, and I will add that link in the description below. Once you have the text shape menu open, it's time to select your font style, the text size. I usually go with a 25 for this size object, and then input your text. Once you have your text input, you can move your mouse over the object and you'll start to see your text display on top of the object. I'm going to go ahead and place it around here, and then we're going to pull the text gap in just a little bit, and that looks good right there. Next thing I'm going to do, maybe increase the size a little bit more. And then if you decide you wanted to adjust your text after you place it, you can just use this purple cube right here. You can move the text around. The next thing you're going to want to do is change the color of the text. And the way to do that is by going to the left-hand menu over here, selecting the object, and then changing the filament type. So we got a yellow text on top of this object. And now it's time to tell Bambu Studio how deep we want to embed the text into our object. The way you do that, just select your text again, go over to the text menu. We're going to add an embedded depth of 3 millimeters. And the next thing we want to do is change the text type. You can do that in two ways. Right clicking over here on the text shape, or you can do it by right clicking on the text itself. Click change type, and then we're going to change it to a modifier. Once that is done, it will change to like a transparent look. You can slice, and then you'll see now that your text is flush with the object, and you can see that it's being embedded 3 millimeters into the object. All right, that wraps up this quick tutorial on adding text flush with an object. I hope it was informative and easy to follow, and I will see you on the next one.